Hello everyone. So you're possibly wondering, what is the theory of natural selection and its connection to the theory of evolution? Well, Charles Darwin explained that natural selection is the process of evolution. He then came up with these five theories after his voyage upon the HMS Beagle, where he observed that some species from the sea are similar to those that lives on the land, but they differ in many ways. When he further studied, he came to the conclusion that animals differ because of their modified habitats. Let's first define what natural selection means. Natural selection is the process whereby organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and produce more offspring. So now, we're going to discuss the five principles of natural selection proposed by Charles Darwin. First stop is more offspring are produced than survive. It's a fact that species produce more offsprings at certain times, but only few of them have the ability to survive and reproduce. Some species struggle to survive because of starvation or getting eaten by predators. Next up is species must struggle to survive. Species may encounter some dangers in order to hunt food for their survival. They may also encounter predators, as I've said earlier, and may battle for the food they've found. They might also eat each other if one is capable of doing so. If the species are unfortunate, they might be the predator's prey instead. The third one is, offspring may vary in their heritable traits. The offspring in any generation will be slightly different from one another in their traits, color, size, shape, etc., and many of these features will be heritable. So the fourth one is, some variations are favorable. Species that survive better than the others may vary and have traits that help them live longer in spite of the dangers in the wild. They're more vulnerable than other animals that can survive as much as they can. Last but not the least is, traits are often heritable. In living organisms, many characteristics are inherited or passed from parent to offspring. Darwin knew this was the case, even though he did not know that traits were inherited via genes. That's all for today. Hope you like it and thanks for watching.